Oh no, it's encrypted! What will I do? Hi all, I'm James.
I'm Lewis.
Today we're going to explain to you how a ransomware attack happens. I probably shouldn't have scratched my head during that one, but I had a really itchy eyebrow. Sod it, right, here we go. This is my super important file. Now I'm going to put it just here. Now this is a bad guy with some ransomware. So let's watch what he does. Let's see what happens. Go on, Mr. Ransomware.
The ransomware. Look at this.
Alright, so hold it up to show the people what we've done to the file. It's encrypted.
Encrypted now.
Right, so I'm going to go and have a look at my file now because I need to work on my super important file. Oh no, it's encrypted! What will I do? Oh, hold on, there's a phone number for a bad person here. Let me call that number up. Hello, bad person.
Hello.
What have you done to my file?
I've encrypted it.
Why?
Felt like it.
You're not blackmailing me at all?
Yeah.
You don't want 50 quid for me to decrypt? We did script this, by the way. You don't want 50 quid from me to de-encrypt it?
Yeah.
Are you going to really de-encrypt it if I give you the 50 quid?
Probably not.
Bollocks. Ransomware!